Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please, before you go, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button. I really need you to actually click on that subscribe button. Like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, this S&P 500, this was a wonderful trade. I mean, if you have been following my channel consistently, you would have seen I predicted a bullish move this week on S&P 500. I also gave you reasons why we'll be expecting that movement, and this is it. We also, I told you guys that due to the fact that Fed have actually made a statement that soon they will be cutting down on interest rates. This is one of the reasons why the stock market started picking up, right? We all know that increasing interest rates is definitely not a good thing for the stock market. It is actually a bad news for the stock market. But since the Fed has made a decision that sooner or later they will start cutting down on interest rates, so they need to hike interest rates just for one more time. I think that would be around May or June, if I'm not wrong. If we can't get to that May, I think we would get to that June. Then the Fed will start looking to cut down on interest rates. So basically, in the long run, if you are yet to start investing in the stock markets, I'm going to tell you that this is the best time to actually do that. I mean, the market has actually fallen down a lot, right? So, I mean, if it is now you start buying options, some shares, it is still fine. So basically, this but I actually covered this trade. I'm going to put a link to this playlist, right? I covered this trade for the week on S&P 500 for the Patreon channel, right? I mean, if you are my Patreon subscriber, you would have watched this video where I've come across it. Now, if you are not, I'm going to put a link to the comment section. Just sign up, give it a try for just a month. In that channel, we tend to put out high probability trade, and mostly we focus on Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, US 30. I mean, you can check the link is there. Check it. What you can check the about section and the trade that we intend to put out. You can check it in that channel, Patreon channel, what we intend to put out. So you see that S&P was one of them, and we gave out a trade for one of the week, trade for the week, which is S&P 500. And guess what? We actually made it. So you can see it. I actually predicted that S&P 500 will drop first, right? Before we make a new ice, and that new ice we take out this previous ice. I actually predicted that move, and guess what? S&P 500 gave us that same exact move. So let's see this week. For this week, I'll be expecting more bullish move, by the way. But before that, I mean, if you take a look at this trend, you see that this is an uptrend move. See higher highs, higher lows, new highs, then an higher lows, a new highs here, higher lows, right? This is a new highs. What next will you be expecting? Of course, an higher lows. After that higher lows, what will you be expecting? Definitely, it's not far-fetched. A new highs will be playing out anytime soon. So S&P 500, we will be making a bullish move. We will be going bullish, no doubt. But a drop will actually play out. So that drop will determine the news that we will be expecting this week, because we are expecting a lot of news first week of April on this USD, which is going to have an impact on this movement on S&P 500. I mean, take a look at this on Monday. We'll be expecting ISM manufacturing PMI. Take a look at on Tuesday. We will be expecting job openings, right? Take a look at Wednesday, ADP non-farm, employment. Thursday also we'll be expecting unemployment claims. Same thing with Friday, major news. So basically, these news are going to have an high impact movement on this S&P 500. So I'm going to be covering them on the Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Give it a try. We are going to be assured. Just give it a try for just a week, right? So this week, right, I said I'll be expecting a bullish move. After that bullish move, then a drop. After that drop, a new highs will actually play out. Well, after that drop, like I said, a new highs will likely play out. So basically, a movement up and forth will actually play out this week.